Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'll guide you through the easy steps to format a memory card on your Euki Dash Cam. Let's dive right in. To begin, power on your dash cam. You can connect it to your car or plug it into a charger at home. Once it's powered on, grab your smartphone. Launch the Dash-Cam app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it by scanning the barcode provided in the video. Use the first barcode for iOS devices and the second for Android devices. After launching the app, connect your dash cam to your phone by tapping Connect and joining the dash cam Wi-Fi network. You might need to enter the default Wi-Fi password for the camera, which is usually from 1 to 8. Once the connection is established, close any other apps on your smartphone and reopen the Dash-Cam app. You'll now see your dash cam on your smartphone screen. To format the memory card, first, ensure there are no recordings in progress. After stopping any ongoing recordings, locate and tap on the settings gear icon within the app. Scroll down in the settings menu until you find the option to format the SD card. Tap on Format SD card. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap OK to confirm and proceed with formatting the memory card. And there you have it! You successfully formatted the memory card on your Euki Dash Cam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.